I'm going to show you how to think about integration and how to approach any integration problem. I'm going to walk you through my thinking process as a mathematician. So here we have the integral of x times the square root of x minus 5 dx. And the general process, I think, when I see an integral like this is what is inside the square root is generally hard to simplify. That's our problem. Because we can't sort of split it up as square root x minus square root 5 or something like that. So what we want to do is we want to do a u substitution of setting u equals to what's inside the square root. It doesn't always work, but it's the first thing to try and think about. And especially in introductory problems, it's generally going to work. So here we have x minus 5. Let's set that equals to u. Now, the point is when you set something is equal to u, you need to set every x term needs to be now represented in terms of u. So our x at the front is now going to be, instead of if u is x minus 5, our x is going to be u plus 5. And there is a subtle important lesson in this, which is that by doing this substitution, I'm going to write it down, we're going to see it, and I'm going to then reflect on it, is we then get, this is going to be the integral of the x is u plus 5, and the x minus 5 is a u, so we get square root u du, okay? Now, it's du because if u is x minus 5, du is going to equal to dx. The derivative of x minus 5 is just 1. Now, the point here is that we couldn't distribute this inside the square root. We couldn't write this as square root x minus square root 5. But if the x minus 5 was out front and this was just a single x, then we can distribute it like we can do here. So the main thing to think about in integration is when you see something like this, doing this substitution did not do anything in terms of du is still the same as dx, but what it did is it simplified the algebra. So now what we can do is we can write this as the integral of u times the square root of u plus 5 times the square root of u du. And now what's that going to be? So again, I always recommend when you see products of expressions involving square root u, 1 over u, etc., or powers of u, just write it as a single power and then apply the power rule. So here what we do is we see u times u power half. Square root u is u power half. So u power 1 times u power half is u power 1 plus half, which is u power 3 halves. So we're going to get u power 3 halves. So I'm going to write this as the integral of u power 3 halves du plus 5 times the integral of u power half du. It just helps at the beginning to write everything in terms of exponents so we can apply the power law for integration, which is we raise the 3 halves by 1 and divide by that. Okay, so 3 halves plus 1 is 5 halves, so we get u power 5 halves divided by 5 halves. So I'm going to write this as u power 5 halves divided by 5 halves, and then here we're going to get 5 times u power, what is half plus 1 is 3 halves, so it's going to be 5 times u power 3 halves divided by 3 halves. Now drop a comment down below, what's wrong with this answer? Okay, there is something wrong with it. 2 things wrong with it. The first wrong thing with it is that we have to add a constant, and the second wrong thing with it is we need to represent everything in terms of x. Okay, so here we know x was equal to u was equal to x minus 5. So then we just replace everything, so I'm actually just going to do that in one go. So the 5 divided by 5 halves is multiplying by 2/5. So okay, so we get 2/5 times x minus 5 power 5 halves. Okay, that's the square root of x minus 5 power 5. And then here we, dividing by 3 halves is multiplying by 2/3, so we're going to get 10/3 times x minus 5 power 3 halves. Okay, so we're going to get 10/3 times x minus 5 power 3 halves. And you can do this in 2 lines. I just did it at the end because it was at the bottom of the whiteboard, but you can do this in 2 lines. So that's the integral, okay, and it's pretty cool. It's quite a complicated expression. You wouldn't necessarily see it by inspection, but u substitution makes it easy. So thanks so much for watching, and check out my channel. I've got lots of math problem solving at all levels. I'm planning to do and doing a lot of integration videos. So to help you ace your exams, don't forget to subscribe and share with classmates, students, friends, so they can also benefit, and it really helps support my channel. I'll see you in the next video.